How to use Xbox gift card on Steam. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding using an Xbox gift card on Steam. To find out if this is feasible, start by navigating to the Steam launcher or with the website. Click on Steam gift cards. From here, you can choose between the digital or the physical card. If you attempt to redeem an Xbox gift card over here, where it's indicating redeem a gift card, you'll see the option of inputting the Steam wallet code to redeem. Conversely, trying to redeem it on the Xbox or the Microsoft website will also prove futile. The format of 25-character code required by Microsoft renders it incompatible. Presently, using an Xbox gift card on the Steam is not viable. Xbox gift cards are exclusive to Microsoft website, while Steam gift cards are solely for use on the Steam platform. Attempting to cross-redeem them will result in an error message stating that the card is invalid. This video aims to clarify these restrictions and guide users on properly redeeming an Xbox gift card. By redeeming it on Microsoft.com/redeem, the balance will be credited to your account for online gaming purchases, expansions, and add-ons. Remember to visit the Microsoft website for this purpose. I trust that this information has been helpful, so please consider liking the video and subscribing for useful tips. Thank you for watching.